So in the last video, we added the style attribute to the image tag so that we could make Ray a little bit smaller by setting the width. I want to show you how we can use multiple style attributes or multiple styles within the style attribute in order to stack them and do different things. So let's go in here and add a style to our header. Something normally that you might want to do to a header is to change the font color. So we're going to just set color equal to red, add a semicolon, and after that semicolon, we can add another style property. And we're going to set the text-align property, and we're going to set it equal to center. So our header should be centered on the screen, in my opinion. So we're going to go ahead and do that and save it. And you can see in here that we have these two different style attributes set inside the style itself. And this is just a string separated by semicolons. So if we go back over to our website and we run it, we see that the text turns red and it gets centered inside of the page here. So, styles are very important and we're going to be using them all the time, but we're not going to be using the style tag very often. And we're going to introduce CSS into our project in the next few videos.